So this is white, black, and silver Renegade. Never mind the traffic out here, but anyways, it definitely needs a cleaning. The underside is a mess. So let's get her cleaned up. Alright, so we got to put 4 ounces of the super concentrated off-road wash into the gun. And then we got to fill it up the rest of the way with water. Alright, so we got 4 ounces in the foam gun. Let's go add some water. Scrub brush, so some of these bad spots. All right, been about 4 or 5 minutes, so we're going to fire up the pressure washer and see how it comes off. Alright, one wheeler done. Looks really good. I'm getting brownie points today. I'm doing the wife's bike, cleaning it for her. She's spoiled, trust me. Just read it on the front of the bike. Spoiled rotten. Exactly. There it is. 2 clean bikes with slick products. Alright, what I have down here is a big piece of rubber roofing. I usually put that under the bikes when I'm pressure washing so that I'm not spraying into the ground, making a mess. But you can see how much mud come off them bikes. It's amazing how much comes off them. It's almost impossible to get a bike cleaned perfectly the first time, but I'll tell you what, the slick product did a good job. Loosened everything up. Pretty good stuff. All right, one final step to get these bikes looking new. We're going to use the multi-surface shine protectant. What you got to do, basically shake the can up, hold it out 5 to 10 inches away from whatever your surface you're hitting, and spray it on. You can buff it out if you want for a nice clean look, or if you want a wet look, you don't even have to buff it out at all. Smells good, smells like bubble gum. So let's give this stuff a shot. You wanna? Alright, well, I don't think I'm even going to buff it out. I kind of like the wet look. Looks nice and shiny. It hasn't even sat a minute, but boy, it does look good. Very nice. Helps hide the scratches. They're pretty scratched up, beat up from this summer, but man, they do look good. Slick Products, nice.